guys, I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna make Chia Bang Ang, or also known as Thai caramel milk dessert. I've been wanting to try this recipe for quite some time now, but I just couldn't find basil seed here. Basil seed is biji Selasih, by the way. But today I decided to use chia seed for this recipe. So let's get started. So all you're gonna need is Grassjelly. I've cut them into cubes. Brown sugar, evaporated milk, condensed milk, fresh milk, and chia seed. Okay, first we're gonna caramelize the brown sugar. We're gonna need 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of water. And we're gonna mix them into the saucepan. And heat it on the stove. Okay, while waiting for our chia seed to set, we're gonna prepare the milk. One cup of fresh milk. 1 cup of evaporated milk. And 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Now that everything is ready, we're gonna start mixing it all in this glass. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so rich. Let me show you. Okay, we're gonna try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my god, it's so rich and creamy and milky. Gonna try it with the Grassjelly. So good. This is so good, guys. I think I definitely gonna make it for iftar because Ramadan is just around the corner. Somehow this camera makes it look like I'm using my left hand, which is not the case. I'm gonna go ahead and change the set. Okay, that's better. Guys, this is seriously something else. You have got to give it a try at home. As usual, I'll leave the recipe in the description box down below. Like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!